Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Right about now, this is Zia. We're here in the Cherohala Skyway, riding around. What a beautiful place. What a cool little Harley Davidson boutique store. Just bought a t-shirt from here and a poker chip. I guess I'm going to start collecting poker chips just so I know which all the Harley stores I've been to. But really cool place, and stick around. We're gonna do all these awesome roads, the Skyway, and hopefully I can bring some of that to you on video. So stick around. Alright guys, we're on the Cherohala Skyway. I hope I'm saying that name right, but man, what beautiful roads. First time I'm going through these roads, and I gotta tell you, I'm very impressed with the Harley. This road glide is not meant for, you know, not from the factory, I guess. It's not meant for dragging your knee out there. I'm sure you can make it into a, that was a Vespa. You can make it into a, you know, like a super bagger, you know, like the craze going on now, you know, with these super baggers and whatnot. But yeah, at the end of the day, this bike is quite heavy, and surprisingly, I find it quite flickable. It's easy to flick from left to right in the corners once you get used to it. I mean, the weight, and you know the limits of the bike. But I'm very impressed with the lean angle. I was like leaning. I'm like, dude, this is really like getting down to the bottom here. And yeah, the lean angle. They must have with the Rushmore project. They must have increased the lean angle, because I'm pretty impressed. I mean, it's only been 2 weeks since I've had the motorcycle, so I'm still learning, you know, its limits, you know, what speed I can turn a corner at, you know, the lean angle, what's good for the bike, what's not. But yeah, I mean, it's doing pretty good. Now that I've crossed 500 miles, I'm trying to open it up a little bit, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up and let you guys enjoy this curvy roads for a bit. have to be a little extra careful because your speed increases and then all these sharp turns come up. You don't want to get stuck on that oh moment. And the road's been pretty clean so far this trip. It's been some gravel here and there, but for the most part, been pretty nice. Nice little, nice road here, the Skyway. Guys, let me know if you've ridden the Skyway here, Cherohala Skyway. It's pretty cool. We went up to over 5,000 feet. I think what, 5,400? And the degree drop was like, what? Went from, it's supposed to be 80 degrees and we're at 60. It's a good bit of drop in the weather. What time is it? 12:25. So we've been on the road since 8:30. Stopped once and I think maybe twice, but it was just a quick stop, and I think the seat is already starting to hurt me a little bit. So yeah, the stock seat is not bad, but I definitely have to upgrade it. Sidewalls of the tires are getting worn in properly. It's a beautiful place, man. Beautiful place. If you guys haven't been in this area through the mountains up here, Tennessee, back down to Georgia, you guys need to do it. We could have gone further. We decided not to, just because it's almost 1:30 and it's going to take us an hour or two to get back, and we've also got some pretty heavy rain in the forecast later on today in the evening, so trying to get there, enjoy this beautiful day and get back before it gets turns to a rainy day. So, but if you guys do come out here and get a chance to ride this road, my word of advice would be to be very careful. These roads are have much more of a sharper turn, and could have a lot of oh crap moments here, so just be careful. Oh shit, I shut my engine down. Why did I do that? Oh, I bump started it. Well, guys, that was some tight curves. I mean, no line, my butt was clenched. I won't be surprised if I get off the seat and there's like a mountain in the middle of the seat, because I've clenched my buttocks so hard. But yeah, it was fun though. It was fun. But yeah, I don't know. I think I would enjoy it more if I had a sports bike or a sport touring bike or a naked, like a super naked. Probably would enjoy it a lot more. But you know, I mean, what I'm saying is compared to lugging around a 870-pound Harley bike through those tight curves, but it was still fun. It was still fun. Had a couple of oh crap moments where I was going in a little too fast in the corners, so, but not too fast enough where it would cause any issues, but still, love the bike. What I don't like about the stock Harley Road Glide handlebars is that they angle, like the angle inwards like this, so your wrist is kind of like this instead of being straighter or straight like that. It's inwards, if you can see what I mean, instead of being like this. So that starts to hurt. That starts to hurt a little bit, but it's just a matter of getting used to it, I guess, before I switch out the handlebars. Anyway, this was a pretty cool ride. I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it with me. We're now making our way back. We've been at it since 8:30. It's now 2 o'clock. We've ridden 200 miles, out of which 160 of those are through the curves and twisties through the mountains. So that was a lot of fun. So now we're gonna go ahead and head back towards Atlanta, and I will save you from the boring freeway and highway rides that we're about to catch. So once again, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a like if you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, and please hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, be safe.